In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create multiple columns in Notion. If you're someone who's been using Notion for a while, you'd know that creating columns inside toggles or callouts used to be quite the workaround. But with a recent update, Notion has made this process significantly easier, and we're going to delve into that today. Before the update, if you wanted to create multiple columns within a toggle, you had to go through a bit of a roundabout process. You'd start by creating a toggle, convert it into a page through the 6-dot menu, arrange your blocks into columns inside that page, and then switch it back to a toggle list. While this method worked, it was rather cumbersome, especially if you had to repeat this process multiple times. Now, all that hassle is gone. With the new update, you have the ability to create columns directly when you are setting up a toggle or a callout. So, let's walk through how you can take advantage of these new features. Begin by creating a toggle or callout, just as you usually would. Once you've done that, scroll down to find the Advanced section within the block options. Here, you'll see predefined layout options that let you choose between 2 to 5 columns. This is a fantastic improvement for those wanting to organize their content in a structured way quickly. Let's say you go for a 3-column layout. Immediately, you'll see 3 separate columns appear inside your toggle or callout. Each column is ready to have content added to it, whether that's text, images, or even other blocks. This new feature also works seamlessly in callout blocks, similar to how it does in toggles. Alternatively, if you prefer to manually create columns, that option is still available. To do this, simply drag one of your blocks, whether it's a heading, paragraph, or another type, to the right side of an existing block. As you hover over the area, you will see a vertical blue line or highlight indicating you can drop the block beside the original one. Repeating this action will allow you to build out as many columns as you need without relying on the predefined layout options. Thanks to this update, organizing your Notion workspace with structured, multi-column content inside toggles and callouts is both easier and more intuitive than ever before. It's a great way to enhance productivity and make your notes more visually appealing and organized. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how this new feature can streamline your workflow in Notion.